Hi students, welcome to ePathashala. I am Dr. Kalpakam Pulasa, former Director in Charge, National Institute of Nutrition at Hyderabad. In this module, you will be learning about the history, the structure and chemistry, the food sources of pantothenic acid, distribution, absorption, utilization, metabolism, transport, storage, and also about the functions and deficiencies as well as about the RDA of pantothenic acid. Pantothen means present everywhere or ubiquitously present. It is derived from the word panthos. So we have the name pantothenic acid. It belongs to B complex group of vitamin, which is a water soluble vitamin. You will be learning various aspects of pantothenic acid in this module. Structure and chemistry. It's a water soluble, crystalline, viscous, yellow in color. D-pantothenic acid is unstable, destroyed by heat in alkaline medium. It is stable in salt form. Calcium pantothenate is synthesized chemically and it's used as a supplement in foods. It is added also as supplements to beverages. Only the dextrorotatory isomer of pantothenic acid, that is the D-pantothenic acid, possesses the biological activity. Pantothenic acid is an amide between pantoic acid and beta-alanine. About 10 mg of calcium pantothenate is equal to 9.2 mg of pure D-pantothenic acid. Pantethene is a disulfide form of pantothenic acid, is also used as a dietary supplement. This form is believed to be the most active form of B5 as it has the sulfhydryl group which is needed for the biological activity of coenzyme A, CoA. A liquid form of B5, dexapenthenol D-pantothenyl alcohol and D-pantothenol or pantothenol are sold in the market. The alcohol form is provitamin of B5 and is converted to pantothenic acid in the body. It's also used in topical injectable application form for cosmetic reasons and wound healing. Dietary sources. These are the dried mushrooms, liver, dried egg yolks, sunflower seeds, potato, sweet potato, cauliflower, tomato, cheese, peanuts, soy, corn, wheat germ and whole grain. During milling and processing of grains, it may be lost as B5 is present in outer layer of grains. Concentrations of pantothenic acid in fortified foods, ready-to-eat cereals, infant formula, energy bars, ready-to-eat cereal varies depending on the brand. Refining, freezing, canning, cooking of the food destroys pantothenic acid, hence food processing results in loss. Processed food have much lower amount of B5 than normal foods. In foods, pantothenic acid exists as CoA or acyl carrier protein. It is converted to free form of pantothenic acid for absorption by intestinal cells. It is absorbed into intestinal cells by sodium-dependent active transport system which is saturable. At high levels of intake, some pantothenic acid may be absorbed by passive diffusion. An intake increases by 10-fold, absorption decreases to 10%. In intestinal lumen, CoA and ACP are hydrolyzed to 4-phosphopantothene. 4-phosphopantothene is dephosphorylated into pantothene. Pantothenase, which is an intestinal enzyme, hydrolyzes pantethene to free pantothenic acid. Pantothenic acid is transported into cells after absorption and is converted to CoA or ACP by several enzymatic steps. Existing evidence suggests that the bioavailability of pantothenic acid ranges from 40 to 63%. Pantothenic acid is absorbed rapidly after oral dose, resulting in increased tissue levels of CoA. Pantothenic acid metabolites are formed within 6 hours. After 6 to 24 hours of oral absorption, Levels of CoA and pantothenic acid increases significantly in leukocytes and urine. Metabolism and transport. Vitamin 5 produces many secondary metabolites such as polyisoprenoid containing compound, dolicol, ubiquinone, squalene, cholesterol, etc. Steroid molecules like steroid hormones, vitamin D and bile acid. Acetylated compounds like acetylated derivatives of amino sugars like N-acetylglucosamine, acetylated neurotransmitters like N-acetylserotonin, acetylcholine, prostaglandin and prostaglandin-like compounds. Coenzyme A is required directly or indirectly for the biosynthesis of many phospholipids like phosphatidylcholine, thanolamine, serine, inositol, cardiolipin, spingenin and ceramide. CoA is involved in the breakdown of carbon skeleton of most amino acids. Breakdown of the pyrimidine bases cytosine, uracil and thymine depends on CoA. ACP is involved in fatty acid synthase, polyketide synthase, lysine synthesis and non-ribosomal peptide synthetases. Synthesis of pantothenic acid. Most of the plants and microorganisms synthesize pantothenic acid enzymatically from pantoic acid and beta-alanine. Mammals lack the enzyme for this synthetic step. They do not synthesize pantothenic acid. The endogenous synthesis of CoA and ACP in mammals can begin with pantothenic acid. The biosynthetic pathway begins with the phosphorylation catalyzed by magnesium-dependent enzyme, namely pantothenate kinase, also called as pantothenic acid kinase, resulting in formation of 4-phosphopantothenic acid or 4-PPA. It is most important controlled step in the biosynthesis of pantothenic acid dependent enzymes. The next step is condensation reaction with cysteine producing 4'-phosphopantothenyl cysteine. In the absence of cysteine, the 4-PPA accumulates, suggests that absence of cysteine as a substrate is a limiting factor in the biosynthesis of pantothenic acid metabolites. 4'-phosphopantotheniane is then formed by decarboxylation reaction. The reaction can be increased by the availability of a protein, sulfhydryl compound such as cysteine. The final two steps in the synthesis of CoA is addition of adenylyl group derived from ATP and the phosphorylation of this molecule. Both the enzymatic reactions require magnesium as a cofactor. CoA form is a major cellular form of pantothenic acid, but ACP also contains pantothenic acid molecule. In CoA, 4'-PP is the prosthetic group. In animals, the pantothenic acid is stored in liver, muscle, blood. In experimental animals, it has been shown that pantothenic acid enters and leaves the brain and cerebral spinal fluid by transport systems. Pantothenic acid is present in breast milk of lactating women. Levels depend on mother's dietary intake. Urinary excretion level reflects intake quantity. Blood levels are not as reliable as the excreted levels. Concentrations of pantothenic acid in erythrocyte is reported to correlate with both intakes and amount excreted in the urine. Vitamin B5 is an essential nutrient and humans require pantothenic acid to synthesize CoA. Coenzyme A may act as an acyl group carrier to form acetyl-CoA and other compounds. CoA is important in energy metabolism so that pyruvate can enter the tricarboxylic cycle or the TCA cycle as acetyl-CoA, followed by transformation to alpha-ketoglutarate to succinyl-CoA in the TCA cycle. Coenzyme A is important in the biosynthesis of fatty acids, cholesterol, acetylcholine. CoA is also required for synthesis of ACP. Pantothenic acid in the form of CoA is required for acylation and acetylation, which are all involved in signal transduction and enzyme activation and deactivation. Pantothenic acid is required for many biological processes in the body, and its deficiencies would produce a wide range of effects. Deficiency of pantothenic acid. Semi-synthetic diets without pantothenic acid were fed to rats treated with drugs antagonists to pantothenic acid. In some experiments, antibiotics have been used to inhibit gut microflora and synthesis of pantothenic acid. Nutritional experiments demonstrated pantothenic acid deficiency produced loss of fur color in brown, black rats. Deficiency produced dermatitis in chicken. Therefore, pantothenic acid was thought to possess anti-gray, anti-dermatitis factors. Observations varied between the animals. Other signs which were observed include weight loss or reduced growth, poor grooming, hair loss, exudation around the eyes, diarrhea, hind leg paralysis. One of the most important observations in all the experiment was the progressive morphological and functional changes in the adrenal glands. Administration of pantothenic acid in the earlier stage of deficiency could reverse the changes, but after total damage to the adrenal has occurred, it was not possible to reverse the changes. UV deficiency signs of vitamin B5 are rarely seen, as pantothenic acid is present in a variety of foods and intake through diet may be sufficient. In severely undernourished individuals, the symptoms may be manifested along with deficiencies of other nutrients. Some drugs can interfere with absorption of this vitamin. Evidences of pantothenic acid deficiency in humans can be traced to several sources. They are controlled deficiency experiments conducted in prisoners of war. Unintended side effects were produced by drug antagonists to pantothenic acid. Prisoners of war during World War II who were malnourished and had pantothenic acid deficiency reported numbness and burning sensation in their feet. Upon supplementation with pantothenic acid, these symptoms disappear. Research on pantothenic acid deficiency in humans was conducted in the mid to late 1950s. In order to produce pantothenic acid deficiency in healthy subjects, a diet low in pantothenic acid in combination with the drug omega methyl pantothenate was used. After 6 weeks of this regimen, there was a reduction in the levels of pantothenic acid and symptoms of deficiencies appeared. The symptoms that were observed were fatigue, including apathy, malaise, headache, and weakness. Some other adverse effects that were observed were gastrointestinal disturbances, nausea, abdominal cramps, occasional vomiting, increased flatulence, epigastric burning, sleep disturbances, personality changes, emotional disorders. Occasionally, signs of cardiovascular instability like tachycardia and changes in arterial blood pressure were noted. Burning sensation of the hands, feet, muscle cramps, along with general weakness and malaise occurred in many subjects. There was also impaired motor coordination in few subjects. They exhibited a peculiar gait. In some, infections by chemical abnormalities were present. One of the consisting findings was loss of normal eosinophilic response to adrenocorticotropic hormone ACTH. In few experiments, pantothenic acid deficiency resulted in reduction of urinary acetylated para-amino benzoic acid and 17 ketosteroids, abnormal glucose tolerance, increased sensitivity to insulin, reduced secretion of gastric hydrochloric acid and pepsin, decreased and increased cholesterol and hypokalemia. When pantothenic acid was administered, there was improvement in the paresthesias and muscle weaknesses. Fatigue and irritability were persisting. Following treatment with pantothenic acid, there was restoration of the impaired eosinopenic response to ACTH and other clinical symptoms. However, these observations varied between experiment to experiment and individuals to individual. The reasons could be due to variations in diet, environmental factors, and drugs used by individuals and any other conditions. This was true for prompt and complete recovery from all symptoms following administration of pantothenic acid. Similarly, the response of normal individuals to depletion of pantothenic acid followed by treatment on the deficiency signs varied between individuals. Pantothenic acid deficiency in humans can be produced by using calcium hopantothenate, which is also known as homopantothenate. It is an antagonistic pantothenic acid. These subjects showed signs of reversible encephalopathy, hepatic steatosis, Reese-like syndrome. The effects could be reversed by treatment with pantothenic acid. Clinical indications: 100 cases of acne vulgaris, 45 males and 55 female Chinese ethnicity aged from 10 to 30 years were treated with 10 gram per day of pantothenic acid in 4 divided doses. The subjects were prescribed to apply this cream 4 to 6 times daily on the affected areas. The cream contained 20% of pantothenic acid. There was improvement in the facial appearance, and sebum secretion on the face decreased after 2 to 3 days. Within 2 weeks, the acne lesion started to heal. Appearance of new acne eruptions decreased. After 8 weeks, acne was treated completely. In the participant with severe acne, the treatment was continued for 6 months or longer as per the response. In severely affected subjects, a daily dose of 15 to 20 gram of pantothenic acid produced a faster response. 35 of these subjects on maintenance dose of 1 to 5 gram per day of pantothenic acid were followed for 18 months. Symptoms of pantothenic acid deficiency are comparable to other vitamin B complexes deficiencies. There is impairment in energy production due to low CoA levels, resulting in irritability, fatigue, and apathy. Acetylcholine synthesis is affected, producing neurological symptoms like numbness, paresthesia, and muscle cramps. Deficiency of this vitamin can result in hypoglycemia or an increased sensitivity to insulin. When the insulin receptors are acylated with palmitic acid, they cannot bind to the insulin. Then more insulin binds to receptors when acylation decreases, resulting in hypoglycemia. Other symptoms are restlessness, malaise, sleep disturbances, nausea, vomiting, abdominal cramps. In few cases, more serious conditions have been seen, such as adrenal insufficiency, hepatic encephalopathy. Toxicity of pantothenic acid is not very well documented. Pantothenic acid is not toxic to humans, and no serious side effects have been reported even at intakes up to 10,000 milligram per day, except resulting in diarrhea. No other adverse reactions due to high dose have been reported. Pantothenic acid exhibits synergistic effects with vitamin C, vitamin B6, vitamin B12, and can improve the utilization of these vitamins and correct deficiency of these vitamins. As toxicity due to excess of pantothenic acid is not likely, there is no tolerable upper level intake UL that has been prescribed for this vitamin. Injectable and topical application also did not show these side effects. Uses of pantothenic acid. People consume pantothenic acid in order to treat dietary deficiencies, acne, alcoholism, allergies, asthma, attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, autism, burning feet syndrome, heart failure, carpal tunnel syndrome, respiratory disorders, celiac disease, colitis, conjunctivitis, convulsions, and cystitis. For other purposes like dandruff, depression, diabetic nerve pain, enhancement of immune function, improvement of athletic performance, to control the tongue infections, graying of hair, headache, hyperactivity, low blood sugar, insomnia, irritability, low blood pressure, multiple sclerosis, muscular dystrophy, muscular cramps in the legs associated with pregnancy or alcoholism, neuralgia and obesity. This vitamin can be consumed. Pantothenic acid is also used orally for osteoarthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, Parkinson's disease, nerve pain, premenstrual syndrome, enlarged prostate, protection against mental and physical stress and anxiety, reducing adverse effects of thyroid therapy in congenital hypothyroidism, reducing signs of aging, reducing susceptibility to cold and infections, retarded growth, shingles, skin disorders, stimulating adrenal glands, chronic fatigue syndrome, salicylate toxicity, streptomycin neurotoxicity, dizziness, and wound healing. People applied dexapantanol, a form of pantothenic acid, to the skin for itching and to promote healing of mild eczema and skin conditions. It is also applied for other reasons like insect stings, poison ivy, diaper rash, acne. Topical application is also practiced for preventing and treating skin reactions to radiation therapy. Since the deficiency of this vitamin is very rare, there is no national recommended dietary allowance for pantothenic acid. Adequate levels prescribed for pregnant women is 6 mg. For lactating women it is 7. For all adult it is 5 mg per day. In US, the dietary reference intake DRI is 5 mg per day of pantothenic acid for males and female 14 years old and over, 6 mg per day during pregnancy, 7 mg per day during lactation. Vitamin B5 is also available as calcium pantotheniate, which has 8% calcium, 92% pantothenic acid. But to avoid the vitamin B imbalance, B complex formula, this include B5 with other vitamin is consumed. The normal daily allowance for vitamin B5 is about 4 to 7 mg per day for adult, which are normally well provided for in the diets of most people. Single ingredient tablets and capsules of pantothenic acid are available in doses ranging from 100 to 500 milligrams. In conclusion, you have seen that pantothenic acid deficiency may not be very common because it's present in many foods. Therefore, humans do not in general suffer from a pantothenic acid deficiency unless the individual is totally malnourished and also has other B complex deficiencies present. That is, his natural food intake itself is so low that it's not an isolated case of pantothenic acid deficiency, but he would be deficient in many of the other B complex as well as with water soluble vitamins. Now, pantothenic acid is present in various food, therefore its deficiency, as we have seen, not so common. Therefore, so many supplements are not seen in the market of pantothenic acid. Pantothenic acid can be also used as a cream form, or it has other applications also in the treatment of dermatitis and other skin disorders. And the requirement of calcium pantotheniate form or as a supplement, as I mentioned already, is not so much required. However, some RDA levels have been prescribed for pregnant women and for lactating women who have higher requirements of 7 and 6 milligram per day, whereas all the adults require about 5 milligram per day.